I see that whenever I have fruits, I have a huge difference in my mood, in my energy. I'm much more vibrant all throughout the day, and the days I don't have it, there's definitely a mild difference. I mean, you could try it out. It doesn't matter, it has to be these fruits. You could try out with whatever one you have available to you. I think it might be a huge impact in your life and in your overall health and energy. So try it out, have fruits every day, and let me know in the comments below how it changes your life.